Do you want to use more than one finger to unlock your Moto G85 5G? So in this video, I will show you how to add a second fingerprint on your Motorola Moto G85 5G. So let's get started. First of all, open Settings. After that, just scroll down. Then tap on Security and Privacy. After that, tap on Device Unlock option from here. Then here you tap on Fingerprint. Now you can see one fingerprint is already saved here. To add another fingerprint, tap on Add Fingerprint. After that, tap on OK. Now place your new finger on the sensor a few times until the square fills up with a yellow line to complete the setup. After that, tap on Done. Now you can see two fingerprints are saved on your Moto G85 5G. This means now you can unlock your phone with both fingers easily. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Quicker for more tech updates.